Tired of waiting for paper checks? Let's get you paid faster by setting up direct deposit in your Workday app right now. First, open the Workday app and tap on your profile icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. This will open your profile menu. Scroll down and select Pay from the options provided. On the Pay screen, find and tap Payment Elections. This is where you'll manage your direct deposit information. If this is your first time setting up direct deposit, or you need to add another bank account, tap on Add button. Now, carefully enter your bank details. This includes your bank name, account number, and routing number. Double-check everything to ensure it's accurate. Next, decide how you want your pay allocated. You can deposit a specific amount or a percentage into the account. If you want your entire paycheck to go into this account, enter 100%. Finally, review your information one last time and tap Submit. Your direct deposit information is now updated. You're all set to receive your pay directly into your bank account.